Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Literally so sorry for this picture. I made these delicious crab cakes at like 4 a.m. Now I just wanted to get some really good photos and eat, but they were that good. So let me show you how I make them. So I am starting out by roughly separating an egg yolk from the white. Most recipes call for a whole egg, but I don't like a ton of filling in my crab cake, so I don't need the extra moisture. And to that, I'm adding in some mayonnaise. And if you've been here before, you've seen my all-time favorite aioli garlic mustard sauce. But dry mustard or Dijon mustard works fine. By the way, exact measurements are in the description below, as always. Now I'm throwing in some garlic and some Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire, however you want to say it. I say Worcestershire. Along with some cayenne red pepper and a little bit of lemon just to squeeze. I put about a tablespoon of that, but make sure you don't get any of the seeds in there. And some melted butter. And I'm going to add in some scallions. These are actually cambray onions, which are a variation of scallions, but they're stronger in flavor. And I'm going to give that a stir. I like to base what I need based off of the color of the sauce. So I'm going to add in the rest of my ingredients, which includes some hot sauce for a tiny bit of heat, and my favorite Cajun Seasoning by McCormick. It's the one I find that isn't super salty, so I can control the amount of salt and pepper that you see me adding. And lastly, some dry parsley, and I'm going to give that a stir, making sure that it is fully incorporated before I add it in my crab. Just because I don't like to stir it up too much, because I don't like to break up those lumps. I'm using lump crab meat, by the way. So I'm going to season this directly with a bay. I could probably just mix it in there, but something just makes me feel good about seasoning the meat directly. And to keep this low carb, I am using pork rind crumbs, but if you're not low carb and you're judging right now, you can use panko, that's rind. They're just as crispy. And so I'm going to give this the gentlest of stirs because I want to keep those lumps, those chunks, as intact as possible. And once that is fully mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and separate these into fours. This recipe makes exactly 4 crab cakes, so it's perfect for 2. So I'm going to lay out my little prep pans. These are actually toaster oven pans, but I love these because it makes me feel like I'm getting KBBQ or something. But I'm going to season my breadcrumbs in this with some salt and pepper and some cayenne pepper. So sorry that wasn't in focus. I fixed it though. And a little bit of parsley, making sure that's all mixed in there. So I'm taking a palm-sized amount of crab, and I'm just going to shape that very carefully. I personally like my crab cakes on the flatter side, just because I like to top it with an egg and some hollandaise, make crab cakes eggs benedict. So I'm just going to make a little puck shape. That's a weird thing to compare it to. It doesn't taste or feel like a puck, I promise. So I'm just going to shape the rest of these. As you can see, I'm very careful as to not be too rough. You may not be able to tell because it's sped up. But I'm going to delicately flip these over and push them in to my pork rind breadcrumbs. And once that is done, I'm going to have these beautifully coated patties, cakes of crab that I'm frying in a non-stick skillet with like 3 or 4 tablespoons of olive oil on medium high. And after 3 or 4 minutes, I'm going to flip those over and let them cook on that side for about 3 minutes. These come together really quickly. And once I am done, I'm going to take these out and drain them onto a paper towel and serve these up. Because I ate these at 5 a.m., I ended up adding an egg and some hollandaise on top of this, but remoulade would work beautifully. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, try it out. Let me know how you love it. Until then, like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you next time.